Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Omegle if it's always asking you for Captcha. So the first thing that you're going to do is clear browsing data. So you're going to click Control H and we're going to click this one here. And we're going to click Advanced, and then we're going to choose All Time for a time range. Now you can just go ahead and click everything here. Make sure that everything here has been chosen and go ahead and click Clear Data. Alright, and if we're going to check everything here has been cleared, the next thing that we are going to try is restarting our PC. So go ahead and click this one, click this, and then we're going to hit restart. After restarting your PC, the next thing that you're going to do is scan for malware. So you're going to go ahead and click this one here, and we're going to type scan, and then we're going to click this one here, virus and threat protection. Now go to current threats and click here, scan options. After that, you're going to go ahead and click full scan, and then you're going to click scan now. Now this is going to take some time, so what you're going to do is just basically wait for it. You can just do other stuff while waiting for this one. Now last but not the least is you're going to use a VPN. You can use any kind of VPN that you want. If you have personally downloaded VPN before, you can just definitely do that one. Or you can go here and basically choose a VPN for Chrome extension. So this one here, we're going to click this one, and basically there's a lot of VPN that you can use, but this one is actually okay. You can go ahead and basically type here VPN, and there are so many options that you can use here. Say for example this one here, as you can see it is featured. Go ahead and click this one here, and then you're going to go ahead and click add to Chrome in order for you to get started. Now once you've added Hola VPN to your Chrome browser, I want you to try to open Omegle once again, and you should be able to use Omegle once again without having been asked for Captcha so many times. And congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to fix Omegle if it's always asking you for Captcha.